want to give you some tips on how to effectively drink water after plastic surgery. So my name's Kathleen Lisson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist, author of the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. And I use these tips myself to help drink water during my daily busy life. So we know that if you're not really like on top of drinking water before surgery, with all the things that happen after surgery, you're tired, you're feeling a little sick, you're sleeping all day, you might be in a different place, recovering than your own home, it might be hard to think of and remember drinking water. So these are my tips on how you can kind of front load, prepare yourself to drink water effectively. So the first thing is getting the water, figuring out how much you need, and then putting it into the jar the night before, so you know at a moment's notice throughout the day if you've drank enough water. So this is a big jar. This one is 48 ounces. The usual ones are usually 32 ounces. So you can go on the internet and look up, there's several calculators that will tell you how many ounces of water you need a day. It's based on your weight. So just enter your weight into it and then find out how much water you need. Fill up either 1 or 2 water bottles, however much you need. If you want to use electrolytes, I had a long series of conversations with a client earlier this year about this because she was watching her sugar and her diet, and she actually had her personal trainer recommend that she add electrolytes to her water for improved hydration, and she was really having difficulty finding an electrolyte that didn't have sugar in it. So this is how I went through the long process of finding this. So this is on my plastic surgery recovery box kit. If you look on kit.com, you can either look for my name or you can type in liposuction and you'll see my plastic surgery recovery box. And in that box will be the link to this actual product that I use here at my house. So I would add that to the water, and it shows you on the back of the package how many you use. But then how do you actually remind yourself to drink water throughout the day? You can set the alarm on the phone, or I've found this app super simple. It's called Drink Water. So just go on the App Store. It's free. I actually don't go into the app and record my water. I like to use, how far I've gotten down the bottle for that. What I like about the app is that every 45 minutes it pings my phone and it just sends a little reminder that said it's time to drink water. And often I'll find that I'm in the middle of something and I really haven't drank water on my own in the previous half hour. So it's really great reminder for me. So again, just to recap, get the right water bottles, fill them up the night before. If you want an electrolyte, you can add an electrolyte, and then have some kind of a reminder system that reminds you to drink the water. Okay, this is some great tools I want to give to you, because a huge part of recovering from plastic surgery is getting the right hydration, getting the right amount of sleep, getting the diet that helps with the wound healing. So the hydration is a very important part. Okay, have a great day.